This is a short presentation on the basics of the purchasing process in BASE 12. In order to create a purchase order, we need to ensure that the product masters are created, the supplier masters are created, the taxes are configured, and the accounting transactions are configured. If you have the rights for the purchase order, you should be able to navigate to it. You can create indents or purchase request, raise and purchase enquiry, get quotations and convert the indent to a purchase order. For this presentation we will start with the purchase order. Click on Purchase Order to open the home screen. Click on the Add New button to add a purchase order. Type of order defines how the order has to be processed, and the accounting and business rules associated with it. Item series is a category of products, like raw material, packing material. Let us take raw material for this demo. Supplier quotation reference is a free text field. Select the supplier. The relevant data gets populated from the supplier master. For this supplier the delivery terms are not fixed, hence we need to mention the term. For this supplier the delivery terms are not fixed, hence we need to mention the term, cost and freight not included. You can add or edit other information in the purchase order header. Click on the Detail tab below to add the items. Click on Add New to enter the item. If you have an indent for the item, click on the Indent button, and get all the indents open for purchase. For this presentation we will just add an item. Select the item from the pop-up dart. For this order, we require raw material 1. We now mention the quantity required and the rate of purchase of the product. Mentioned the request date and the delivery date of the item. Add any remarks that you would like on the purchase order. If you want to add another item, click Add New and repeat the process. Or save the transaction. The transaction is now saved and can be edited till it is confirmed. Let us confirm the purchase order. The purchase order now has a Y flag for confirmation. Now that we have a confirmed order, we shall take a purchase receipt against a PO. Let us assume our supplier is super fast and has delivered the products. Navigate to the purchase receipt option and click on Add New. Select the transaction type, in our case a local purchase. Select or enter the PO number, against which the goods have been supplied. Enter the delivery document number of the supplier. Record the date mentioned on the delivery document. Record the supplier invoice date and the supplier invoice number. Click on the Details tab to enter the product details. Click on Add New. And then click on Pending Quantity button A pop-up will be available that will list out all the pending quantity against the purchase order. You can use the Select All button to select all the products or select individual products and then click Finish. The pending PO quantity is automatically populated. You can edit the same to match with your actual receipts. Say you received 90 instead of 100. The shortage is recorded in the system and ensures that the supplier is paid only for the 90 quantity. Let us take it back to 100. Since there is only one product, let us save the transaction. Oops, we seem to have missed recording the number of articles we received. This completes the purchase receipt. Let us save the transaction. Further in the purchase series, creating a payable for the supplier, advance payments against PO payments to the supplier, incorporating additional costs to inventory.